Hello, beautiful and charming ladies. Welcome to my channel, Only Lemon. Kisi ki nazar na lage. Only Lemon is a designer wear clothing brand. Here you will be getting unique designs of kurtis, complete salwar sets, kurta tops and bottom, and also western wear for very affordable price. So whoever has already subscribed our channel, thank you so much for them, and I would request others to please subscribe our channel for the best designer wear dresses at affordable prices, and also follow my Instagram page. And our payment terms is very simple. Whichever design you like from the collections I show it to you, you need to take a screenshot of the same dress and you need to WhatsApp that to the below number which is displaying with your size. So we will check our stock that that particular design with the size is available or not. If it is available, you need to make the payment to the same number and confirm your order, and we will courier you the dress. It's very simple. And in today's episode, there is one special offer. You want to know what? So tomorrow, June 10th evening at 5 o'clock, from 5 o'clock to 5:30, whoever is subscribed our channel, they need to share one screenshot of that subscription to the same contact number. So whoever has sent that first three messages, they will be our first three lucky winners of Only Lemon, and they will be getting one premium dress for free. Bilkul free. So only I would request everyone to subscribe our channel, and please do not skip this episode. I would request everyone to watch this complete episode from the starting to the end. So come, let us start the episode. So today's first dress, a beautiful cord set, black color cord set. So there is a heavy work for the neck. See, it's a very premium dress, and you will be getting loose pant. It's very comfortable, elastic side, and the other one is belt. So this is very beautiful, a very bold color, black color. So I will personally wear this dress and show it to you, so that you will get on clarity that after wearing how this dress looks. This I'll be doing in all my episodes. So I'll show you how it looks after wearing it. So after wearing, this is the look. It looks very beautiful. It's very beautiful and it's very attractive also. So the back side and the front work. Please do not miss. If you like this, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp to the displaying number. And in this, we have two more colors. One is dark red and the other one is dark yellow. So all the three colors are very beautiful, and the cost for the same is only 1695, and it's a free shipping all over India. And also, this is the one premium dress we will be giving it to the three lucky winners. So please subscribe our channel and send a screenshot of that tomorrow evening 5 o'clock. So whoever sends the first three lucky winners, you will be getting this dress exclusively for free. Any of the color. You may get red, you may get yellow, or you may get black. So any color. You can take a screenshot of this. So I'll show you our next collection. Dark purple color dress with a very grand, dupatta. Dupatta is too grand. This is the top V-neck. You will get a pearl work on this. Here also you will get a work. So back is plain and it's a loose pant. Both the sides, it's elastic one. So I will show you the after wearing look. So after wearing, this is the look you get. It's very beautiful, damn beautiful, especially the color actually. And the cost is 1495 only, and it's free shipping all over India. Dupatta is too grand, and the back side and the front one. You can take a screenshot of this. So book it as soon as possible, because if the stocks are over, the designs are not repeated. So I'll show you our next design. This is the one, cream color dress with a V-neck. Backside it is completely closed, and this is the dupatta. It's a lengthy dupatta, printed one, and it's a printed pant. It's a loose pant, so if you wear, it will be very comfortable. So I will show you the after wearing look of the same. So after wearing, this is the look you get. It's very simple and elegant. So this dress is suitable for, like office going people, and even for college wear. This dress suits them. It's very comfortable. See, the pant is also very comfortable, and it's a very, and even the dupatta is, uh, big. So this is the back look, and this is the front look, and the price is only 1495, and the shipping is free all over India. So please do not miss. You can take a screenshot of this, okay, and buy it as soon as possible. And I'll show you our next collection. It's a beautiful salwar set. There are so many colors in this. It's a light color combination dress. It's a v-neck dress, and like, it's a bell sleeves, and for the sleeves you will get the transparent tissue design with a lace work, and even at the bottom it's bit transparent with a lace work, and it's a plain dupatta. For the borders you have lace work. It's very big, the dupatta is very big, and this is the pant, loose pant. One is elastic side and the other one is belt type, and even for the pant you get transparent at the bottom with a lace work. It's a very beautiful salwar set. I'll show it to you after you wear how it looks. It's a very, very, very beautiful salwar set. I really don't want you guys to miss this article. See, the dupatta is so big. It's very beautiful. The color is like too good. And you'll be getting pockets actually, both the sides, one side and the other one. And the sleeves, it's a bell sleeves. So back side and front side. And the cost is only 1695. It's the best like price for this article, because this is like, it's very unique collection. You can take a screenshot of this, so please book it ASAP and I'll show you my next collection. It's a beautiful and colorful set. It's very colorful. The dark colors are mixed. It's V-neck, and for the neck you will get work. It's a plain dupatta. It's a plain dupatta and a plain pant, because the top is very, like colorful, right? So the pant should be plain only. So this is the pant. It's very beautiful. I'll show it to you how it looks after wearing. So after wearing, this is the look. It's very pretty actually, because the dark colors are combined. It's very pretty actually. This is the back side and this is the front one. And the cost is only 1495. So please do not miss. If you like this article, please book it soon. You can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. You can share it to the display number. It's only 1495. So hope everyone has liked our collections, and whoever has not yet subscribed still, I would request them to please subscribe and follow our Instagram page. And also tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock, even I will be waiting to see who are those 3 lucky winners who are getting a premium cord set from Only Lemon. So please do not miss. I'll see you soon in my next episode. Until then, see you. Tata. Bye bye.